This is Eric Mwathe, themwathe.com, January 24th, 2009 on a Saturday morning. I have a lot of charts for us to discuss, so I'm going to try and squeeze them into a 10-minute time frame so they can fit on the YouTube requirements. We are looking the first part of this video. I'm going to show you why the markets are a little bit confusing. The charts are not a definitive one way or the other. The middle part of the video, I'm going to show you some sectors that might be trying to break out, and then in the tail end of this video, I'm going to show you why this market might actually not rally off the current formation. And in the last video, I'm going to show you our late one of the great stock picks we had for the week. It was a long pick, even though we were short in the market, and it did very well for us. So let's go straight on to it. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. As I said, I'm going to try and rush through this video. There's a lot of charts for us to discuss. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ 1-year daily. Still have a downward sloping 50-day moving average. And we see that the RSI is forming some kind of a crude double bottom, and sometimes we can get a rally out of this formation. This formation sometimes does lead to a rally. If we take at the Dow Jones 30-minute chart, you'll see that we are coming into some kind of a consolidation here. So we are either gonna break out, and we are gonna know this early on in the week, and that's gonna set the trend for the rest of the week, or we are gonna break down, and that's gonna again set the trend for the week because of what the chart formations are pointing to. So we either break out or break down as we consolidate into this kind of a wedge type pattern here. If we move on to the next chart, we look at the NASDAQ 2-year weekly, and on this chart I wanted to show you conflicting messages. You see that the main MACD has a bullish crossover, which tells us to buy, and the short-term MACD, which I use a lot, as giving us a sell signal, which tells us to sell. So you have indicators that are giving us conflicting messages, and that's part of the reason a lot of indecision in the market.